this is just going to be a look at. These things just work, and I use them, and whenever they go on special, I purchase them. So this is supposed to be a fast charger. All the details in regards to the item is below. This is a pretty cool one because it has several ports. And I'll just try it real quick, plug it in, and make sure that it's charging everything. I'm not doing any testing. This is more of a look at and a close-up of everything you're going to end up getting, so that you can at least visually see what you're getting, because on the website sometimes it's very difficult. So this is the size. I got two of them, one white, one black. And what I'm doing is I have 4 chargers that I actually use, 4 ports of a charger. I want to remove that and just use this one for the 4 chargers I need. 2 of these will be for Lightning, USB-A to Lightning, and the USB-Cs will be to the iPad. USB-C to USB-C cable. And I'll just plug it in and come back and let you know yay or nay on it working, and that's it. Like I said, this is just a close-up look. Let me do some measurements. And everything here is what you get. I think this is the black one. Same thing. That's the white one. That's the black. And maybe I will use the black. And then you get these 2, and I believe these are lightning cables. But hold on one more. The cables are a separate purchase. I thought it was part of the purchase of this, so we're gonna do, I guess, since I already showed the cable, I'll just keep showing it. And this is the actual cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C. All info on all the items on the video will be below. And a close-up look. It looks halfway. It looks like looks like a nice looking cable. Strong. Not doesn't feel cheap. So let's measure it. It's supposed to be, I think, 10 feet, and I got 2 of them. And I think I paid $8.99 for this. Maybe $9.99. Again, please check below. About 9.5 feet. Short 10 feet. Let me go test it. Cable and this, just make sure that at least works when you charge it, when you plug it in, and I'll come back. So everything seems to be working well. We chose the white one for the replacement. I just wanted to show you what I was replacing. So we have lightning devices at the location or the area that we were, that we have for charging. In this, it's in my daughter's room. So we were just using 2 ports on this, and as you can see, this is a 6-port I could use somewhere else. So I wanted to remove it. So we replaced this and these 2 fast chargers, which we use for our iPads, because we have 2 iPads as well at the location that we put to charge. So I replaced all 3 of these with 1 of these, and it seems to be working fine. And I'm going to use this somewhere else. And I also did test this cable as well, and it's working just fine. No issues. I don't have, I'm not gonna go into details. Plugged it in, it works. Hopefully it'll work always. I used the other cable. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day now. Bye.